Happy New Year, Happy New Year, girl. You know I got this rolled up to my neck. Okay. And I was not, okay? But girl, we around here, girl, just doing the things, honey. Just doing the things. You know how it is on a Saturday. You know how much they raise you, girl. Okay? Now I turned down the blues so I wouldn't get no strike, but you know. Okay? Okay? Don't even have to tell you. Everybody's feet hit the floor. You heard me? Nobody sleep late. Where? Sleeping late? Baby, y'all, you new parents. You new generational bougetto parents. Never. Everybody under the roof who does not have a job. Don't care if you in school or not. Saturday morning, unless you headed to the library. Feet on floor. Where your feet on floor? What you doing? Cleaning. Okay? Anyway, Happy New Year to you and your family. Girl, I'm going to drop this little video in here. Girl, look at what I just was about to throw away. Now, here's the lesson. On the outside, it's black, and the packaging is not fancy. Okay? Look what I almost threw away. A buried treasure. Okay? You was right. Take my time and go through all this stuff. Nice and beautiful. Like it ain't even been in here. Okay? It's not a fancy unboxing at all. But inside is a buried treasure. And that's the message I want to send to you, because a lot of us, we did a little overeating, over the holidays and stuff. Okay, that's all right. And maybe sometimes, you know what I'm saying, the package on the outside is not as pristine. But on the inside, do you see the jewel? Catch that. Somebody gonna catch that. Make your outside reflect what's on the inside. And those who choose to get to know you and open up the real you will find the beauty inside. Yes. Honey, this has been Lucinda Speaks, coming to you once more and again, hopefully in the new year. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. And Happy New Year to you.